No. This side. Go forward, man. This side, yaar.
Not this again.
Chest.
Not this again.
Dude, you are not even half as good as you were. It seems like I am playing with a newbie.
I know, bro, but it's my right hand. It's really paining. I have this nagging pain. My thumb really hurts, and now it's spreading to my index finger and the middle finger also.
Now don't say that I am being willing because of your pain. But has it happened before?
Yeah, man. It has been there for an year, but for the last 2 weeks it has increased, doctor.
What job do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
So how much time of your day you spend in front of the computer?
8 to 10 hours a day. It's hurting a bit here.
Where exactly does it hurt?
Here.
Okay, in this region?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you keep your hand like this, your left hand?
Yes.
Okay. You have to touch the tip of the finger with the tip of the pen and do a movement like this.
Okay.
Now, if you feel any discomfort, you have to stop. Okay? Now, I will show you the next one.